Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Turo earnings to your bank account, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your Turo earnings to your bank account, first, log into your Turo account on the website or app. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your account icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account. In the Account section, look for the Payout option and click on it. Check if your bank account information is already linked. If not, choose the option to add a bank account. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details such as your account number and routing number. Double-check that all information is entered correctly to avoid any issues with your withdrawal. Once your bank details are added, save the changes and return to the Payout section. Here, you can view your available earnings balance. Select the option to withdraw your earnings. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, or choose to withdraw the full balance. Confirm your withdrawal request by clicking on the respective confirmation button. You will receive a notification indicating that your withdrawal request has been successfully submitted. Depending on your bank, it may take a few business days for the funds to appear in your account. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your withdrawal status. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Turo's customer support for assistance. With these steps, you can efficiently withdraw your Turo earnings to your bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.